Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on? YouTube, you've tuned into Rules for Rebels, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a little hack that I recently discovered to get some extra views on your YouTube videos. So, whether you're doing YouTube for business, just a personal channel or a vlog, as a way of affiliate marketing and getting your links out there, or to drive sales to your Shopify store, your business, your service business. I'm going to show you guys kind of a quick, easy hack to kind of tap into the global market, to tap into global viewers, get your videos more easily discovered, and pick up some extra views on your YouTube videos. So this hack is involving TwoBuddy. And basically we're going to translate our video titles and descriptions into pretty much endless numbers of languages. And when I'm not really sure how accurate these translations are. So if any of you guys speak, either Spanish or German or something else, feel free to comment and let me know how accurate these translations are. But theoretically here, by putting our titles and descriptions in people's native language, even if it is kind of a hacked together Google Translate kind of translation, theoretically we should be able to pick up some extra views. I just recently discovered this. I was kind of doing a little audit of all the SaaS services and apps and things like that I paid for, kind of seeing like, what do I still use? What don't I use? There's a ton of stuff that I'm paying for onlinejobs.ph. I'm really not hiring any new people right now. I'm paying for a couple different Amazon merch design services, and I've kind of fallen off with that. So just trying to figure out some things that I can get rid of. And I was looking at TwoBuddy because I pay for the $49 a month TwoBuddy. One really cool thing, man, like, even if you don't want to pay for a service like this, if you're just starting out on YouTube, they have an awesome free plan that, and this video isn't sponsored by TwoBuddy or anything, although I will put my referral link down below. If you guys sign up for a free account or a paid account, appreciate it if you use my link. I think I get a month free for every person who signs up or something like that. But there's a lot of kind of cool tools, and even with the free one, we can advanced video embedding. We got kind of an overlay that can put emojis into videos. I'm trying to think what some of the, they got a thumbnail generator that's even available on the free plan. That's what I use to make a lot of my thumbnails. One of the most helpful things is comment filters, which they do have available. Comment filters is like you can select to only look at comments that still need to be responded to, or you can only look at comments that are like a discussion where you got to respond back to somebody. And then you can also have canned responses. I don't use these, but if you just wanted to, have something like, hey, thanks for watching, smiley face or something, you could have canned responses and with one button, just reply to people that way. But I'm actually on the Legend plan. I was kind of looking, I was like, do I really need the Legend plan? It's kind of expensive. I probably don't need all these features. There was one feature that I recently discovered that I didn't really, they also have Pick a Winner is available for the free account through every other one. So if you wanted to pick like a random comment out as the winner to a contest, you can do that. Lots of cool tools and things like that on here. But one of the things that's only available on a top tier plan, so I think I probably am going to downgrade soon, but I'm going to go through and do this to all my videos before I do so. It's the auto translator. And this is kind of a little help page about what that is. What the heck? Let's just kind of show it to you in action real quick. So let's pick a video. Are men or women better eBay sellers, right? So we're going to click edit. And now we're kind of on the back end of the YouTube video. So here's where we do thumbnails, write our title, our description, pick our keywords. And this is kind of part of the TwoBuddy overlay as well. They'll also suggest keywords for us, show us like where these videos are ranking on YouTube. If we start typing in a word like eBay, they're going to auto-populate some things there for us. So a lot of cool stuff, but what I wanted to look at here is this auto-translation feature. So if we click translate, or translations, we're going to select the native language, which is English. We'll set that as the default for new upload so we don't have to do that again. And here I can see a breakdown of the languages that my audience speaks. So by far it's English. I'm kind of surprised. Number 2 is Hindi. Number 3 is Arabic. Then we have German, Spanish, Dutch, Punjabi, Filipino, Hebrew, and Vietnamese. But we've selected the original language. So now we would just go here. And so our second one was Hindi, right? So I'm going to translate this into Hindi. Add language. translate, and as you can see here, everything's been translated into Hindi. My links, emails, etc. remain the same. Why couldn't that save? Yeah, let's see. I think that might be too long. Of course, as soon as I start to make this video, it doesn't want to save, right? Let's see. Yeah, let's try another language. We'll do oh no, Hindi we tried. We'll do Spanish. So we'll do Spanish Mexico. We'll translate it. Okay, now my title's too long, so obviously Spanish is longer than the English. Okay, and that's been saved. Let's see, what else do we got? German. Translates it into German. Oh, the title's too long again, huh? I'm not even paying any attention to where I'm cutting this off. We'll just cut it off. Okay, what else do we got? Dutch. You know, I could do Japanese, Chinese, whatever else, but let's see here. Okay. Okay, so anyhow, I mean, it's that quick and easy to do that. Let's take a look here. Auto translator. Translate video title and descriptions into other languages to increase global viewership. You want people around the world to find and read the video title and description in their own language. You want your video showing up as a related video on other videos around the world. You recognize that YouTube is a global community and want to connect with everybody. And so, you know, they show you kind of right how to do it there. I think they got a how-to video. See if they got any tips or tricks. You are limited in the total number of title and descriptions per day, 50, so we can translate up to 50 per day. Check out your analytics before deciding which tags to translate to see what countries you're getting your views from. So kind of a neat little tool there. Again, this is only on the top tier TwoBuddy. I'll be honest, I mean, for the vast majority of people, probably isn't worth 50. I mean, it's an amazing tool, but most YouTubers probably don't need the Legend plan. I mean, even for me personally, I really don't need the Legend plan. I think I'm probably going to downgrade into Star. But before doing so, I just kind of wanted to go through and take advantage of any tools I'm going to lose out on, which actually isn't a lot. You know, they really do give you a lot from the free plan to the pro to the Star. So my link will be in the description box below. If you guys decide to sign up for the free plan or whatever else, appreciate it if you use mine. But like I said, just stumbled upon this tonight. Thought it was kind of an easy and relatively quick little hack to run through your videos and maybe to tap into global viewers and pick up a few more views on your video. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button down below, and we'll catch you in the next video. Later, guys.